Okay, I want to talk about using Google Classroom to uh, make a Google Doc as an assignment for students and then making a copy for each student to fill out by themselves. One of the prime examples that you would want to use this is for something like an activity log, whether it's for reading or PE or any of the other events like that that kids need to be keeping track of. So, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom page and I'm going to check out the class that I want to set up. In this case, I'm going to go to my basic IP networking class, and I will go and open the Google folder for this classroom, which lives in Google Drive. From there, you have the option to create your Google Docs or your Sheets or other items like that to use as assignments for your students. In this case, I've already created an e-learning activity log. So it's an existing Google Sheet that I want students to be able to use. If I take a look at it real quick, you will see that it is a very basic sheet. I've titled it. I've got a date, activity, and then let's just add another field here just to, finalize the data that we are going to be tracking. So as soon as that loads up, you could do something like time spent in minutes. And that is really all you need to do. And then, of course, since this is Google Docs, and it will save that for you. So go ahead and just click out of that when you're done. You know that it lives there in your classroom drive. And now you go back to your classes. You're going to go to classwork and create an assignment. From there, you are actually going to click Add, and you will select from Google Drive. So it should automatically open into the drive space that is set for this classroom. If it doesn't, you can always search for or browse your items. In this case, I'm just going to reuse that e-learning activity log that I created. You're going to add that into your assignment. And then you need to change how it's presented to the students. So in this case, I'm going to click on the down arrow next to students can view, and I'm going to say make a copy for each student. That way, when the student goes into Google Classroom, they will see the assignment and then they will get a personalized copy of this activity sheet for them to fill out. And you'll be able to track each student's progress individually. So go ahead and make that a copy for each student and assign it. Let that cook for a second while Google does its magic. And when it's done, I'll show you what the student view or what the teacher view of the students is so that you can kind of track their work. So on my super speedy fast internet, while this still works on assigning it, there we go. So it's the daily log that I created in my list of assignments. Go ahead and open that up. And you can view the assignment and you'll be able to see everyone that's in it. So I've got two students here. And as you can tell, each of them has their own copy of the assignment. So I could go and look at Benjamin's here and it'll open it up. And as he fills it out, of course, you'll be able to view that and take that into consideration for whatever it is you're working on. So, really, that is about all there is to creating assignments for your students and making a copy for them. This is great, like I said, for reading logs, PE logs, anything else like that. So please don't hesitate to try this out and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.